Thank you for invitation. I would like to say that I am not in California, so I stay in Warsaw right now. But this bridges connection between startups and medicine and deep AI. I would like to say that the development of medicine with the use of advanced technology and artificial intelligence is today the basis for early diagnosis and of diseases, including oncology and treatment options. I would like to introduce myself because I am a medical doctor. I am involved with development of strategy of the member states in the European Union in the field of rare disease and personalized medicine. Strictly, this is precision medicine. In project which is founded by the European Commission. Last week in Paris, we discuss about development of new AI. So this is international project because we involve also scientists and different engineers from the Canada, from Brazil, from different European countries. We would like to say that we have problems, benefits and risk, which could be dissolved by artificial intelligence. Deep ML we use for different base. We have a big data with collection from the patients, which we can evaluate, and we have some different methods, some different devices by IT and AI to use some data, medical data for treatment patients, for early diagnosis. So I would like to say that hematological diagnosis, e.g. leukemia, direction of leukemia, or order to start early treatment, we use patients database for use ML, and in order to indicate health hazards in the population at high oncological risk. So we also develop in Poland by startups one very important issue. This is now is a problem too. This is a viremia COVID-19. So we developed CIRCA. This is a radiological image, and we use computed tomography to early diagnosis of COVID. So right now, artificial intelligence and deep IT and deep use patients' data we can use for the developed medicine, for treat patients, for early diagnosis. So what is the problem and benefits or risk for that? First, of course, we have to collect big data. Second one, we can use clinical trials with companies, pharmaceutical companies or different companies which develop medical devices, for example, like user diabetes. What I would to say at the end of my point of view, that decision makers should support empirical research in the health opportunity cost of reimbursing health technologies within healthcare system. So care system is waiting for some new technology. I know that the medical care in different countries based on different financial support by governments, but I know also that the US care of patients go down right now. So we should collect our strength and our muscles use to develop technology which be useful for all of patients on the world. So international connection and supporting by different companies will be successful for future. Developing and supporting as well as use of artificial intelligence, we should develop that because we should improve our quality of life. Not only patients, but our quality of life. Thanks a lot.
I think we can all agree this is a great focus, expressing interest both directions on a spring health and well-being related gatherings. And I hope reimagining how corporates can transform and how startups can grow together is a basis for that.
Thank you.